This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering and organizing everything: footage, voiceover, music, and layered images. First, set the slide dimensions to 16:9 and pick 24 or 30 FPS so motion looks cinematic. Then import high-quality audio files at 48K HZ and lossless images. Make sure file names match your storyboard. Once done, place raw assets into dedicated folders inside the PowerPoint file and enable hardware graphics acceleration to speed up rendering. Now you craft movement and precise timing. Use Morph for smooth transformations and motion paths for custom trajectories. Add ease in and ease out to make movement feel organic. Make slide layers using objects stacked and reveal with triggers and staggered delays in the animation pane, and nest video inside masks for complex shapes. Once done, sync cuts to the music by trimming clips and nudging animations frame by frame, so visual hits land on the beat and pacing feels cinematic. Finally, render your presentation as a single MP4 using best quality and the same frame rate you used earlier. Select hardware encoding when available to minimize export time. Double-check audio levels and normalize voiceover so dialogue stays clear over music, and set a high video bitrate for clean motion. If playback stutters, make sure to pre-render complex sequences as embedded videos, simplify animations, or update graphics drivers. This one troubleshooting step often fixes the majority of performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.